Good morning, students. In this class, we will see graphs. This is a last class for basics. After this class, we will go for class 11, first chapter sets. Okay, let us see what are graphs and all. Because this is very important for us. Inside our chapter, several times we have to see the graphs for functions, for calculations, for linear programming and all. There we have to do this graphs. Unless we understand properly the graphs, then we are not able to solve those problems easily. Okay, let us see the graphs. Graphs are plotted. Graphs plotting. Okay, not graphs drawing. Graphs plotting. Graphs are plotted between two axes. Axis. Singular is axis. Plural is axis. Okay, graphs are drawn between or plotted between two axes, x-axis and y-axis. One is x-axis, another one is y-axis. Both are at perpendicular. Okay, y-axis is perpendicular to x-axis. Horizontal is always x-axis, y is always vertical, not horizontal. Okay, horizontal, vertical. Horizontal is x-axis, vertical is y-axis. Y is at perpendicular to the x-axis. But these axes are divided in equidistant. Equidistant means what? Let us first understand intersection point. Intersection point of these two axes is origin, 0. 0 is called origin. Origin. And point for this is x-axis 0, y-axis 0. Y 0, x 0. Okay, this is origin. Each points on these axes are equidistant. Equidistant means equally divided. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Like this, we have to divide equidistant. Okay. Graphs are plotted between x and y variables. At least one variable should be there, x or y. If x or y is not there in any equation, we cannot plot the graph. Okay. And we see the types of graph shapes and all. Slowly from simple to complex, or from first variable, one variable, different variables, multiplication of variables, like that we see. 6, 7 graphs we see, then we can understand what are graphs and all, how graphs are going to come and all. Okay, let us go. Okay, now we see like this, x is equal to 2. This is a single variable graph or single value graph. Why? Because here y they have not mentioned, only x they have mentioned, but we have to draw or plot this graph also. How we are going to plot? You see, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Okay, this is the point. And you make a straight line. Parallel with y-axis. Okay, parallel with y-axis. And in one corner, top or bottom, you write x is equal to 2. Because this is equation. How it has become equation? Because equal to is there. In fundamentals or basics, I have told. Okay. Okay. And also you must have observed this graph is divided into four quadrants. Quadrant. What is quadrant? Quadrant is 1 by 4. Quad 4. Quadrant 1 by 4. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay. In first quadrant, all are positive. X is positive, Y is positive. Second quadrant, Y is positive but X is negative. In third quadrant, all are negative. X negative, Y negative. In fourth quadrant, X is positive but Y is negative. Okay, like that you have to understand the graph. This is X is equal to 2 graph. Another graph we take, another graph. Rather than plotting on this graph only, we take separate graph. Say Y is equal to 5. Okay. You call X, Y, X dash, Y dash. In X dash area, all negative values will come. In Y dash area, all negative values will come. X, Y, only positive. I have already told. First quadrant is all positive, all negative. Then here mix will be there. Origin 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. Now you see Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Put one mark here, and parallel to x-axis you draw straight line passing through the 5, and in one corner you write the equation y is equal to 5 on the line. Why? Because you have to know what is this. Okay. If they ask you to draw x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 is origin line only. Sorry, this x-axis line only. If y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 is y-axis only. Why? Because at 0 both are going to intersect. Okay. Then you have to take that point. That is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Both x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If it comes in our problems, several they have come. We will see in when we go to chapters. Okay. Okay, this is a single variable x and y. Both graphs I have shown you. Why? Because this is fundamental or this is basic. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5, y is equal to 6 and all. Okay. Now we go for multiplication of variables. Multiplication of variables graph. Say y is equal to 3x. Okay. If such type of values have come in your equation, before drawing or before plotting the graph, you make one table. X, Y. Okay. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, x is also 0. These two values first of all you have to make. Then we go. When x is equal to say 2, y is equal to 6. When x is equal to say 4, y is equal to 12. Is it correct? Okay. Then you take points. X, y, x dash, y dash. Up to 12 is there. Then how we have to take the equidistant points? Rather than 1, 2, 3, we take 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Okay. You see here how I am taking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Like that here also. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12. What are these here? Dots will be there. First of all, you have to understand. Okay. In your graph paper, already graph segregated lines will be there. But in your notebook, you have to make like this. Even if I have not made dots also, you have to make points. Okay. Now we plot the graph. X is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0, origin, 1 point. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. X is equal to 2 here, y is equal to 6 here. Why? Because free from 6 from 2. Like that it has to match that point x. Okay. That is 1 point. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 12. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 12. Okay. What you have to do, you take a scale and match all these points and make a straight line. Okay. At one corner of that line, this is a line, straight line. Write y is equal to 3x. This compulsory you have to write. Y is equal to 3x. Otherwise, examiner may cut your marks. Okay. This is the graph of multiplication of variable. Here, x is not there. Simply 3x is the multiplication of variable. X is a variable. Why? Because x is varying. No? Okay. X is varying. We see another type of graph also. Okay, until now y is equal to we have seen, but graphs may come x is equal to also. Now we see let x is equal to 2y plus 3. That graph we take. As I said earlier, before plotting the graph, let us make some table. Here x is there, y is one side, x is one side. Of course, both way you can take, but you take here y and x. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, not 0. Okay. Okay. If x is equal to 0, once I have made y is equal to 0, another time I am going to make y is equal to 0. Sorry, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, this is going to become 0, x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 0, automatically 2y is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Okay? Okay. When y is equal to 1, x is equal to 5. When y is equal to minus 1, minus also we take. Why? Because there is no restriction. If y is equal to minus 1, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. We take 3 now. Y is equal to 3. 6 plus 3, 9. When y is equal to 3, 2 into 3, 6 plus 3, 9. X is equal to 9. Okay. Now we have got the values for plotting the graph. X value, y value. Okay. You observe first once. This maximum is 9. Okay. Like that you have to see before plotting the graph. Maximum is 9. Then only you can make some ratio of the points. 0, 9. X is equal to 9. Y is not maximum. X is equal to 9. Okay, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y dash, sorry, this is Y, not Y dash. This is X. This is X dash. This is Y dash. Okay. Okay. Now let us plot the graph. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Okay. When y is equal to 1, x is equal to 5. Y is equal to 1 here, 1. X is equal to 5 here. When y is equal to 3, x is equal to 9. Okay. When y is equal to -1, sorry, -1 is this one, -1. X is equal to how much? 1. X is equal to 1. Say this is the graph. Y is equal to -1, x is equal to 1. This is the point. And okay, so we need not take a fraction of points. Why? Because this is a straight line. Straight line. That is why let us draw the line by your scale. If you draw by your scale or whatever it may be, steel rule, straight line is going to come. Okay. Now you write x is equal to 2y plus 3 on that line at one corner. Okay. And these points should be visible to the examiner. X, a small light. One line you take. Now you observe. Earlier line passed through the origin. Okay, 0. But this line has not passed through the origin. It has passed not through the origin. Why? Why? Because here after variable some separate constant is there. If any separate constant has come, let it be addition or subtraction. 2y plus 3 or 3y minus 1 like that if comes, automatically graph is not going to touch the origin. That point you have to remember. Okay? This is two variable, you can say two variable graph. X, Y both are varying. Okay, with constant. Okay, now we see another variety. Say y is equal to x square. Now before going x square, we go for only simply y is equal to x. What is y? What is x? Y is equal to x. You need not draw that, we need not make a table. Why? Because if x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 2, x is 0, y is 0, like that will come. We see that graph also. 0, x, y, x dash, y dash. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3. -1, -2, -3. Okay. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Why? Because both are equal. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to -1, y is equal to -1. When x is equal to -3, y is equal to -3. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. Both are same, na? X is equal to y, y is equal to x. Both are same. You see, if you touch these points, okay, x is equal to y. The graph will be like this. Definitely it is going to touch the origin. Why? Because here no constant is there. both are variables, no constant is there. If no constant is there, then the graph is going to touch normally the origin. That you have to remember. Okay. Okay, this is one model. Now we go for y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. Is it going to touch the origin or not? Definitely it is going to touch the origin. Okay. If we add plus 2 here, it is not going to touch the origin. That you have to remember. Okay, we will take like this only. Let us make a table x, y. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 plus 2, 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 18. 4 square. But we take negative values also. Negative value, negative of x minus 2, 6. Why? Because minus 2 square plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. Okay. Even minus 4 also going to give 18 only. Plus 16 and 18. Okay. Now, if you observe this, maximum value is 18. Then you have to decide. 18 means you take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Like that, first you take equidistant points. Okay, now x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 0, this is x, this is y, this is y dash, this is x dash. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 18. Minus 4, 18. One corner you write y is equal to x square plus 2. One corner of the graph, any graph. And this is the x square plus 2 equation, graph for this equation. Okay. This is a parabola. But you need not write parabola or something like. For your understanding sake, I am talking. Okay, parabola, but not passing through the origin. Why it is not passing through the origin? Because addition or subtraction of some constant has come. If this constant is not there, the graph is going to touch through origin. Okay, this is one type, and yes, we go for two equations and solve the variables of the equation. Okay, but algebraic solution we know, graphical solution we see, and we close this chapter here. So two equations they have given. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Another equation they have given, x plus 4y is equal to 8. Okay, both are there. For two equations in one graph, two lines you have to plot. Because this is one problem only. In one graph only you have to plot these two lines. But before plotting line, as I said, you make some table. X, Y, 0, 0. Okay. When x is equal to 0, 3y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 by 3, 2. When y is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Remaining values you need not take also. Let us see. X, y. When x is equal to 0, 4y is equal to 8, y is equal to 2. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. These are the values for plotting the graph. Okay. Now see, maximum is 8. Okay. 8 is x only. Need not worry. 8 will come. X, y, y dash, x dash. Origin 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. Now you see, we draw first line. Okay. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. Okay? You draw one line. One corner of the line you make that equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This compulsory you have to write. Come to the next equation or next line, plotting the line. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, same point has come. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. That means now these 2 points you have to write somewhere here. X plus 4y is equal to 8. Okay. Now we have completed plotting the graphs, two different graphs on the same graph, two different lines on the same graph. Okay. Now question has asked solve the equations. Solving the equations means what? Finding x and y value. You see, x and y values are going to come when these two graphs touches or intersects at one point. Here where these two graphs are intersecting each other, here they are intersecting each other. What is the value? X is 0, y is equal to 2. X is 0, y is equal to 2. This is answer for your equations. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 is the answer for your this equation. Okay. In this way we can solve equations of by graphical method also. Okay. Now let us summarize what we have observed. If any constant is there, additional constant is there, the graph is not going to pass through the origin. Okay. And simple linear equations and all going to come lines only. But when it comes to square, y is equal to x square, like the graph is going to become a curve, not straight line. If square has come means parabola it has come. Parabola. Okay, we have seen earlier. And even we find variables by graphical method also. These we have learned by this basic class. Now let us see what our basic class I have made. Number system, algebra, surds, indices, logarithms, geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, graphs. These are the basic classes I have made and uploaded on YouTube. Okay, you have to go through the, I have not yet made a playlist, but I have uploaded all these videos. Mensuration is only 50 minutes video is there, remaining all are less than 30 minutes videos only. Okay, in our classes also I am going to make 30-minute videos and upload sets and all. But before watching sets videos, class videos, NCERT class 11, class 12, please watch these videos, basic videos. Why? Because first of all you have to watch these 6 videos, then only you can understand those classes. Okay, I have graded like this from numbers, algebra, surds, geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, graphs and all. Okay, now let us go for sets also. Okay, thank you.